HTML form elements. HTML form elements are HTML elements that we use to create HTML forms. For example, inside of our form, every input field, password field, buttons, checkboxes, or radio buttons are actually form elements. What are the most common form elements? The most common form elements are input element, select element, textarea element, button element, and datalist element. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate our PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.